Hello sea lads and welcome to new video. In this video we will see what is radar performance monitoring and why we are checking it. We need to perform radar performance test at least every watch, but most of the times navigators fail to perform this test every watch. Sometimes it is not done for weeks and they make the entry in the logbook without doing the test. Radar performance test checks the transmission and receiving power of the radar. For example, if the transmission power of the radar is not enough, radar may not be able to paint some of the targets at all. Or radar may be only able to paint the targets with very less sensitivity. On GRC radar, to perform the performance test, go to Test menu, choose PM on. This will change the radar range to 24 miles. Increase the gain to full and you can see the plan on the radar. Also, you can see the bar on the bottom right corner of the radar. Measure the maximum range of plan on the screen and check the bar length. We need to compare these values with the initial one on the graph provided in the manual. These graphs are different from receiver and transmitter power. By comparing the actual plumb length with the initial plumb length, we will get the loss in the receiver system. This loss is called sensitivity deterioration. If the transmission power is less, the radar may not paint targets at longer range. If receiver sensitivity is less, radar may paint the target with weak echo on the screen. In case of less receiver sensitivity, we may use the long pulse in all ranges to increase the sensitivity till the time service technician attends to the radar. If the ship staff is changing the magnetron by themselves, they may find no change in performance of radar. This is because after the magnetron is changed, it needs to be tuned. Ship staff need to have the tuning procedures from the maker or need to call service technician. Radars are eyes of the navigator, so it is important to set up correctly. We should all be familiar with setting up radar. Each of us must try our hands on setting and should know what settings work when. That was it for this video. Until next time, I wish you a pleasant sailing and have a good day. See you, your Sea Lad.